Hello guys, welcome back to my tutorial channel. Let's do a quick one. This video is to show you how to detect or how to locate your polling unit. If you don't know where you are supposed to vote, this video is for you. I'm going to show you how to locate your polling unit. Now this is the site. You can see welcome to voters verification service. Now let's see the site so that you see the full site. Let me paste it in WhatsApp. This is the website cvr.inecnigerian.org/vvs. If you visit this website, like this, if I click on it, this is what it will open for me. Now the first thing is select the state where your voters card is located. Anambra State. Select local government, Onitsha North. Then put your last name. For me, I'll put my last name. My last name is Emmalex, and my name is Emmanuel. Then select your day of birth. I was born on the 26th, month of birth, September. Select your year of birth. The year of birth, you see it and you select it. You locate your year of birth and select your year of birth. Then tick this I'm not a robot. You tick it, it will verify, then click on check status. You see, it has displayed my name, Emmalex Emmanuel. My state is Anambra State. I'm from Onitsha North local government. Where I'm supposed to vote, the ward is Inline Town 2. You can see it here. My ward is Inline Town 2. And my polling unit is Metropolitan Secondary School. You can see it here. And this is my polling code. With this one now, I know where to vote. I can now move to Metropolitan Secondary School and cast my vote. Please don't waste your PVC. Make sure you go out to cast your vote. Let us this time choose the right candidate. Let our vote count, please. Don't have this mind that your vote will not count. Please go out and vote. Let me show you another way to check this polling unit. Click on check another one. If you take us back to the main site, you can check using your VIN. You can see it here. Check status using VIN. When you click on it, it will ask you for VIN. Still select your state. Let me select my state, Anambra State. I'm from Onitsha North. Then my last name is Emmalex. Then you put look at it here. Enter your full VIN or the last 5 digits of your VIN. The VIN is the serial number of the voter's card. My voter's card is not here with me. When you look at your voter's card, either at the front or at the back, you will see a VIN there. Type in the last 5 digits. Then click on I'm not a robot, and click on pick it, and then click on check status. It will display your polling unit. Thank you for being part of this channel. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that whenever we upload new videos, you'll be notified. If you have any question or comment, use the comment section to ask your questions and I will give you a reply. Also, share this video to your loved ones. People are there looking for a way to locate their polling unit. Thank you. Have a nice day.